the ghee.
We're just using the same. It's not ghee yet, but why waste it? Okay. So, you know, we have you can buy this, but a pound of butter will make just a little bit more than this ghee. So I do it for my family. It lasts me about a month. But, you know, my mom is here, so now we need more. So this is the TARKA class. So this is how all Indian food is started or finished. So if you know this, you can pretty much make any Indian food. Wonderful, right? Yeah. So you throw some ghee in the pan, and she has started with the onions. So that's called the TARKA, the flavoring that you add to whatever vegetable or bean that you're cooking. So now she's gonna toast it up and then add her little spices. She's gonna add ginger and garlic to this particular dish, because spinach and ginger in Punjab it's like a, you know, match made in heaven. You don't have spinach without ginger. Okay, usually.
What are you doing that for a certain amount of spinach?
I'm trying to make it about like 4 to 6 serving right now, but I have already pre-cooked for tasting.
Yeah. So normally, toward the end. So because of Saag Paneer, this was a special request from Michelle. She wanted to know how they make that stuff in the restaurant. So
Is that paneer made from scratch, or do you buy it?
We made it from scratch.
she made it from scratch at the restaurant.
You know the recipe how to make that, right?
No, that recipe I didn't write down. You boil milk, you add a tablespoon or 2 of lemon juice, but keep the heat on medium, whatever, and then let it cook some more, and it'll all start to split. And then you have cheesecloth over a colander, and then you just drain it, right? And then you take the cheesecloth, fold it up into a nice little brick, put a weight on it maybe, so let it sit, let all the water drain out, and you have paneer.
About 2
Yeah, 2 spoons for your family.
Salt, you can just put as much like or as low. It's not like you have to put a lot. Yeah, and a little bit of chili. We don't make it too spicy for y'all. And cumin and a little bit of turmeric. Turmeric, yeah.
Turmeric grows in everything. You know. Oh, and I wanted to say that.
Now tell us about the spinach. You started with frozen spinach?
Yeah, you start with the frozen spinach. You add onion, garlic, and ginger, and you cook for a long time. I mean, right now this is not going to take that long because it's already been cooked with the ginger and garlic inside. But if you're going to start with the frozen spinach, you cook it for like at least, like if you're cooking it for 4, at least for an hour or 2. Yeah. The
Heavy
cream. You could use half and half or heavy cream.
Or yogurt.
Or yogurt.
You know, if you want to make it a little light, whatever. If you don't have it, that's what we do. Oh, we don't have heavy cream, we're going to put yogurt in it. Ooh, sounds good.
Like I said, somebody, if you go healthy conscious, you could do the yogurt, you could do a cream, you could do a milk.
And when do you know it's ready? Do you have like, if you are stirring and it doesn't
It
cook,
starts
or
like
just
kind of bubbling and kind of boiling.
boiling?
You've eaten it in a restaurant. It's pretty creamy, right? Yeah, let's try it. Sorry, Paula? Okay.
You can add as much paneer. If you don't want a paneer, you could do boil potatoes and fry the potatoes and put potatoes in.
Let me go show it around.